Good morning. Let me show you some stills from one of our days on my Sicily tour last year in Catania, where our good friend Laura Donna gave us an amazing cooking class. Come with me this May. You'll experience a cooking class, wineries, galleries, churches, mountains, farms, and all. RickOrlando.com has all the information. Now check out these beautiful stills.
And salt, and that's all. So the flour that we use today, it's this one, and it's called russello. It's semolina flour from durum wheat, and russello is one of the many varieties of what we call ancient grains of Sicily. That means that they haven't been modified in any way, and it's yes. After you stretch it, you fold it, okay? And after you fold it, you turn it, okay? And again, stretch, fold, and turn.